Hey everyone, Gina DeLuca here. This is going to be a quick one. I have metallics in Artist Loft. Old gold, silver, black, purple, metallic white. I think that's it. These are mixed 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. No silicone. These are actually a lot thicker than how I would like them for this particular pour. Let me thin that out a bit. They've been sitting for a while. Okay, so I have a piping bag, which is cake decorating bag with a number 96 tip. You twist your bag and flip your tip up. You can grab it from the inside to keep control of it. Just have it folded down, and you can sit it right in your cup and pour your paint in there. Easy peasy. Okay, so I think I want the main to be black. So whatever color you put in there first is the color that the other colors will go underneath. I will do black and then gold. It appears the gold is sinking. Do the purple. Silver. White. And I'm going to do a little more purple. Let's do a little bit more. This is a 14 by 14 canvas. This would be 7 ounces of paint-ish. I'm just going to use all this paint up. I need to turn the kitchen over. I don't have time for another painting. Okay. That's a lot of paint. All right. I'm just going to lay down a thin base coat here to give my paint something to move around upon. All right, let's do this. Flip your edges up. You grab it and locate your tip. Ooh, okay, that was close. All right. Yeah, I'll say this is definitely going to be enough paint. And I'm just going to touch it to the center and just let it do its thing. I'm not moving it. Not trying to move it anyway. Yep, definitely enough paint. Oh, I just botched that. Oh, heavens to Murgatroyd. Some days are just better than others, you know what I mean? Just try to do what you can with that before you stretch. Let's pop bubbles. Again, there's no silicone in this. This is gravity doing its job. With the different paint densities. A lot of this will be tilted off, so. Let's see. I want this direction first. And the more you stretch, the more cells will pop up. My purple seems to have completely disappeared. Always recenter your paint before changing directions. Using all metallics in this way is definitely a challenge because they're all very similar densities because of the mica. But it does give a very 3D effect, like depending on how you're viewing, which angle. Okay, I'll clean up, bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here it is. Now generally when I do a straight bore, I have an idea of what's going to become the background. Usually it's the opaque that falls to the background, but metallics are all opaque. So this was an experiment. Lots of cells. Barely any of that purple. There's just hints of it. And that heinous monster right there. I would tilt that off if I didn't think it would stretch all of the cells to oblivion. Okay, there it is. Today's experiment. So, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I hope you have a beautiful day and go make some art.